Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to put and take money off Metatrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 4 app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see setting option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you will be redirected to the settings section where you can see new account option at top. It's on the screen. So you simply need to tap on it and now you will be able to see two options. Just simply select second one, which is log into an existing account, and now you need to search for your broker account. Let's say I have account on capital.com and I have balance on it, let's say. So let's search for it. Now you simply need to tap on second option, which is capital.com real, and now it will ask you for your login ID and your password. So once you complete your credentials, you simply need to click on sign in, which is at top right corner, and you'll be able to put and take money off Metatrader 4 successfully. So basically this is how you can put and take money off Metatrader 4, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.